The imagination. It's so weird what comes out of it, especially mine. That's why I stopped. I stopped daydreaming, imagining, making things up, because in the end it's just you wishing and hoping, and in the end it's not real. None of it's real. But then you get the people who are paranoid and stuff. Their imaginations cause that, don't you think? They just think that something's there, it's all in the head. My imagination made me almost lose it. I started being fancy, thinking people weren't who they seemed, that even this world didn't exist, and that it could be only a dream. My brother was the first to notice, and I got better after Mom got me to a psychiatrist. From my experiences, all I can say is that imagination isn't what I thought it was.